Good morning. It's Thursday, day 4 of GAT. Cold start.
Not cold, Allie. Not cold.
I love the TT's cold start for this one and one only reason. It starts out quiet, and then it just goes. I don't know why. As always, we're riding down a quad trail in the race car, first gear, and I still have to use my brakes. It's so steep. Yo, the boys just showed up from Alaska, picked up hoodies, picked up hats. Y'all are freaking awesome, bro. Hope you guys enjoy all that. Yeah. Yo, I just freaking put the tilted mobile on this thing. Jesus. We'll get out. Oh, you're good? What the hell? What the hell? I had to come back to get my sunglasses. And I look over, and there's a hood stack TDI just mobbing. Yup. Follow me! It's so funny, bro. The TDI community is real. Enjoy, bro. That's crazy. Then he just got back to the house. I'm editing right now. Dude, it looks so sick. He got a super clean C6. They do. Facts. Good morning, Vietnam. Morning. Yo, we gotta get you some Skechers. A New Balances.
Be Lada.
Yo, Paulo, how do you feel about those wings falling last night?
That was literally horseshit.
I dropped all of his wings.
That's a little testosterone. Thank you, Grandpa.
Brett just got back with the R33. It's so funny seeing this car like not a pile of shit. Brett, it's so nice seeing this car not a pile of shit.
What?
It's so nice seeing this car like not a pile of shit.
I know, right? It's a piece of shit normally. Oh, it's only clean because I'm in Tennessee.
Oh, it looks so good.
Thanks, buddy. How did I beat this motherfucker?
What you know about it?
Wow, dude.
Uh-huh.
That's all it's good for. Miata man pulled up. What does he do? He parks his shit on the curb. Hey, buddy.
How good am I on the road?
You're not on the road. You're good. Ferrari.
What kind of Bugatti was that? They got the van on the van, but not the van on the van on the van.
Of the van?
No.
By the van, of the van, on the van?
Why they don't got the van on the van on the van?
Motherfuckers.
Cheap bastards. Where did these?
Vinny, you're looking professional, dude. Blake's over there.
I'm supporting my local businesses.
Yup.
Dude, I even detailed the lawn chair.
Yeah. Yo, nice hat, dude. Oh my, he's so handsome. Chris is over here getting yelled at by the police. The cop's really cool, so. Cop's super cool. It's not a good spot. You can't really see when you're turning, so. It makes sense. It makes sense though. Like you can't see at the stop sign.
It's kind of a hazard too. Like thing's massive.
Yeah. Dude, that is so funny. Freaking van. Vinny's getting that treatment.
For real, dude.
Looks so good. Chris is somehow backing into that area. Mark 5 is Fenders cooked, as you guys can see. $600 fenders.
Nothing wrong with those.
Yeah, fenders. You hate to see it, but the TT. What y'all think? I should wrap the roof or just paint the whole car?
Man, what the?
Yeah, but it's got no steering wheel in it, so it's not as bad. Yeah, put the steering wheel on, bro. It might not slide on easily for some reason, but you get a feel for it.
It's a spline.
Yeah, it's a spline.
What the hell is going on?
Do you feel like a race car driver?
Dude, this seat like
Yeah, it's so good, bro. It's so good. It's that carbon Kevlar.
You driving this thing today?
Bro, all day. Everybody's at the house. I just finished up day 2's vlog. And Brett and I are lounging on the rocking chairs right now. TT's out there looking good. This guy just pulled up with what looks like an FRS or a BRZ.
BRZ.
Yep, BRZ. I don't really know my...
That's Joby.
I don't know my Hondas, dude.
That's not a Honda. That's a Mustang.
There you go. Hey, Joby. What's up? Say what's up to the vlog. Yo. Car looks good, bro. Hey, Vinny. It's Heath. Heath, we love you. Yo, Heath's car right there. Huge fucking spider right here.
I'm bricked up.
Listen, I don't want to say much, but like, we got a TT with a chute right here. This R8 don't want no smoke, bro. He don't have a parachute on the back. Yo, they don't want the smoke, though. Yeah! Yo, Blake, I can eat off the fucking hood of this thing. You killed it. Green eggs and ham. I don't give a damn. So here's at Jimmy's. We interviewed them. We're here at the scene of the crime. Jimmy's closed down. We got the fucking Pigeon Forge squad truck. What's it called when they're like ambushing you?
I don't know. We got this super good boy coming over here to yell at us.
The SWAT truck.
How you doing?
Damn SWAT truck, they're shutting it down.
They got the Brinks truck out here.
The Brinks truck, they mean business.
Jimmy's still here though.
Yeah, Jimmy's still stunned.
Posted up in the fucking Stinger.
Look at her, she's on the fucking hood of the
Yeah, they shut this joint down. She's got nothing to do now.
Corvette.
She's on the vet. We got the taxpayer money being wasted here. You see this?
And then that parking lot's just full of cars.
Yeah, they haven't got to that one yet for some reason.
That's crazy.
But yeah, it's pretty lit.
No camera because I just got my camera dropped off me, but the owner said that they're shut down indefinitely, but they're open for drinks, food, whatever. And 33 and 33. Yo, this thing's fire. Yo, film me doing a double whip.
I can't. I got it. Go for it. Oh, damn, bro. Yo, Paolo, hit it. Hit it, bro. Hit it. Yeet.
Professional. Be a professional.
Look at this guy.
Alex's filmer?
Nah,
Are you his
dude.
filmer?
Nah.
Do you film for him?
Nah,
Do
bro.
you film?
No.
Have you ever touched him?
No.
Have you ever?
Never.
New filmer, new pack. Here you go.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thanks, man. This guy pays me good. I like this
What do you
man.
got there?
See you never.
Look what the cat drug in, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that cat drug in, baby. Hell yeah, brother. Yo, this guy's broke. He needs money for a Lambo. Trades crypto. Or he's trust fund baby. Or he's an OnlyFans manager.
Bro, he actually spray painted that on.
Yeah, I would too if I had rap. He's probably cool as fuck. My type of guy, bro.
Still, I wish I could afford that car. My dad is broke. He got me a Nissan Sentra.
Start selling that pussy.
I might have to sell feet pics, no lie. Catch me at I'm Vincent G8 on Instagram.
Bro, do not listen to this guy.
Yo, shout out to homie McClay. It's how you're giving out stickers. This is his brand. Sweet, bro. Heck yeah, dude.
Right here, see?
I like it. Sweet, bro. Hell yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Brett in his natural habitat, sticking on stickers.
Applying stickers because my car gets faster with every sticker.
You'd be the kind of guy to put a sticker as a tattoo.
You!
Sorry, I don't speak bitch.
Later!
He agrees.
They go home.
Bro, I'm putting this away. We're all loaded down with merch. I'm gonna take the TT out tonight. It looks so good in the dark, bro. Oh my gosh, but don't know where we're gonna go eat. I'll lock it right now. Yo, we just parked up and this Mustang is beached right now. We're gonna help him. Yo, are you beached? We'll push you, bro.
Yeah, we'll help you. Your axle popped out.
There we go. We got the Mustang moved. It might be a blown axle transmission. We don't know,
Sounds
but
like some type of transmission
yeah.
noise.
Brett's a computer scientist, but he knows.
I am a grease monkey. I work on orange junk.
He works for the town. He's a town repairman.
You can just diagnose it off the ground.
Multiple McChickens, multiple McDoubles, multiple fucking 6-piece McNuggets. We're lit. A bear destroyed Simon's soft top, his seat. Oh my gosh, bro. Sorry to hear about that.
He was fucking hungry, man. Oh, for real. No.
Oh no.
That bear's literally metal.
Tennessee mountains, baby. Bro, we're walking into the volcano right now.
We're going into the volcano, no worries. Then you just kick my fucking golf club.
Thank you, Tiger Woods, for nothing.
How the fuck am I supposed to hit that?
Okay, so this
2 hits?
Textbook.
Dude, this is crazy.
What's Chris?
I don't know.
What's he doing? Why is he down there?
He's hanging out with his people.
He didn't rank a top.
Quick little end game. I got 56. Paul got 56. Brett got 56. Simon skipped
I
a
got a
number.
50. I got a 50 apparently.
You only did 17 holes though.
No, I added a 3 for extra.
Yeah.
So I'll give myself a hole in one. I got a
He
48.
still would have won though.
I won. There's no way. Reagan tied actually. She tied for 50.
Filming her forehead.
There's literally no way.
I don't know where to look.
So many cars, so many directions. Ow! He punched me.
Yellow punch buggy.
There it is. That's why I got punched. We got the TT's fuel pump today, delivered to Greg's house. Oh my gosh. You know who this is from, Greg?
Who?
TLCT Motorworks. Shout them out.
Thank you.
TLCT Motorworks.
TLC Team Motorworks.
Yeah, baby. Yo, David just snagged the hoodie. Shout out, David. This is my car, not yours, bro. Hell yeah. You tell them. You tell them when they tell you what to do to your car, all right? Hell yeah. Shout out, David. Yo, we just pulled up on Heath. We're giving out all his engine specs, bro. Motherfucker's running 800 horsepower.
These are 16 by 6.5.
Yo, what's your wheel specs, bro? What size tire you run, bro? How much stretch you run, bro?
50 on a 14-inch rim.
Nice, nice.
16 by 4 with a 2-inch lip.
Sweet, sweet.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, bro. Yo, this guy's in the Love Hotel right now. He's so sexy. Yo, I'm signing Pickle Rick. Take that. Sweet. Can I sign right here?
Huh?
Fuck yeah. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Bro just bought a hoodie. Fuck. You look like a model in that thing.
Shit's nice, man.
Yeah.
Comfy, dude.
It's so cozy. Shout out to Elvis, he just picked up a hoodie. Appreciate you, brother. Hell yeah. Shout out, Bo.
Shout out, Alex.
Enjoy that, brother. Hell yeah. Vincent's out here in the merch right now.
You gotta stay warm out here, bro. It's
Dude,
really cold.
I'm overheating personally right now.
Tennessee's cold. You gotta have this merch.
God damn. This is what the good life looks like in the back of the van.
Yup. Yup. My car, not yours.
What's stop sign?
Yeah!
Stop sign. What stop sign?
Let me warm this up quick. Psych.
He wants to put some tortillas in your...
Put the JB up.
Fucking guy.
Good fuck, dude.
Yo, look what they got you.
Hey!
And just like that, y'all, day 4 vlog wrapped up. That's the end. We're gonna go film day 6 now. We're 2 days ahead. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna keep these videos coming. So if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe, and come back for more. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.